So welcome friends, today in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how I design my illustrations for my client who asked me to design a t-shirt for yoga, like t-shirts with yoga quotations. Okay, so here you can see this beautiful illustration, sorry. And here is a hair, some hair behind of this layer, behind of this first layer. Okay, you can increase this layer size by uh, panel options. Here you can see this small, medium, large. Okay, you hit large, you can see this layer 2 and layer. You can change the layer name here. You can change the name layer 1, you can change this layer 2. So layer 2 is here. You can see this is a hair portions, part of this portion. Okay, and it's some look some cartoon style. So what I'm going to do here, just put some inspirations, quotations from this website. I have taken this website, this quotations. This is from Bhagavad Gita. So I think this quotations is good for this what I'm going to say in this illustration. So the yoga is the journey of self. Okay, very good. This is, I'm just going to uh, bold style this self, to the self and through the self. Okay, to the self, to the self. So this is 3 times self, self, self. So think how can you change this style. So just uh, so you can search some font. I had searched for this yoga quotations, but when I'm go to this website, I've taken this yoga quotations. It is actually no person's name in here, this type of yoga quotations. So I think that's is maybe copyright free. So just try one thing that you can go for this uh, word puzzles or word font style. And, so what I'm going to do, just take another and lock this layer, also take another layer here. So just increasing the font size here, just it's a 200, sorry, 200 pixels. So here you can put this thing. Now this font is very ordinary font, so what we need to do here, just check out some font and babies. You can see this is very elegant looking font, but here some need some inspirational type of font. So I think if we put this thing here, it's look nice, but I need for t-shirt design just control R for ruling. Just this is this type of illustrations, because we need to cut out this side and this side and this side also, and put this style to your t-shirt or t-shirt design or illustrations. Always remember that don't make a landscape type of things. That's looks very ugly, going to look very ugly. So what I'm going to do here, just try to uh, just take this things, and I think that It should be better, no problem. uh, just increasing some font, and always see, always try to uh, take when you are typing with this font or font style. This T is a typing tool on, and drag this area what area you want to type, and then you can uh, put your text in this area. Okay. And here I want to show you something, that when you are making something with this area, and see, this is a red, you can clearly visible here. If I zoom out, this is zoom in, sorry. So here you can see this is a red square things. What is the meaning of this red square? If you that's mean that's there are something missing in this line. So if you drag this like this, see, this square is error is not uh, showing. So it is bonus tips for you. So always remember this kind of thing. So when you are going to put this illustrations for Shutterstock or any other else or vector stock selling a website, so always remember that so select this one, select this your writing or text, or go to object and then flatter transparency, and this there has a high, you can see there is a lots of way, you can medium resolutions, low resolutions for the complex art. So I'm going to go for this artwork. So high resolutions, there's a, you can change this PPI sections here. You can convert all text to outline and all stroke to outlines. So this check this options, two options, and hit OK. What it does for you, that's immediately converted it to a object. Okay, now you can see this is, I can move this whole total things like a object. Okay, so do these things always when you are going to be a contributor of Shutterstock or any other place. I'm also a Shutterstock contributor, and I have a lots of video about how you can enhance your Shutterstock income. So check out my this online learning box channel. So you can find out there are lots of tips and tricks how can you fix the error when we rejected by the Shutterstock, our illustrations, our vector illustrations rejected by Shutterstock, and why, and how to you fix this problem, this kind of problem. So this is a problem you can easily fix with my this trick. So here I'm going to delete this ruler guide. So now I'm going to put this illustrations to Redbubble or any other place. So this is a short video for tutorial, and when you are putting this kind of illustrations, this line draw type of and cartoon type of illustrations, always remember uh, so show your artwork within this type of square, this kind type of, sorry, rectangle, sorry, this is for the chest, what is we cover, and this is for the things that just is covered by this image. So look, so always remember this kind of things. So don't illustrate your illustrations like landscape mode when you are design for t-shirt illustrations. It's really looks very ugly. Okay, so this is my tips for you. If you think this video is very helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up, and I will come back with a new beautiful video for you. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.